Corny Point.
We made it!
We're at the lighthouse, right on the point. I'm sorry, was that joke a bit corny? Yeah.
You should feel bad.
Never. It's a big lighthouse, but it's not like the biggest, but by far. It's still really cool.
It is. You're not allowed to go in it.
No, you can't go in this one. But we'll get to tour a lighthouse probably when we're in WA. There's the information on the lighthouse.
How about we start with trawlers in? They're over there. Do you see them? There's 3 trawler boats.
Not a lot of beach spot here. Just a lot of rock. Here's some more information about the armour against the elements. About saving the reefs. And then also some stories about why the lighthouse was built. And about some of the tragedies. Like some of the children that didn't make it. And
Children, people, everyone.
one of the light keepers that drowned in the surf. So let's have a look. Oh, there's a beachy area over there. That's a massive steel door. Bullet shots in the door. I think that's just people not actually trying to get in. And then beach over there. And then we've just come closer to that beach area. How do you get down there? That way. Okay. No, not this way? I think it's this way. I think this is it. Yeah.
You always have to go around the rocks to get them.
I think some people like to shortcut that way. I'm not doing that. Ooh.
How long has it been since it rained? That looks nasty.
That does look really bad. I'm not swimming in that. There's a lot of shells.
Somebody had a feast.
Yum, 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 yum.
Don't you think so? They're not for you.
Yeah. Ah, we're nearly there. Oh,
Sorry, but I'm just gonna...
okay. We need to go up more.
Huh?
Ooh, sandy spot.
Where there's a boat.
Hey, yeah, paw prints. Look how clear that is.
Can you see it? Yeah. I love the patterns on the rocks here.
Yeah, these rocks look really cool.
It's a lot clearer with the glasses on. Snorkeling
Alright.
would be pretty too,
It's
huh?
still pretty clear. There's the path. And there's Emma. And,
Are you going for the fun path?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm going exploring.
I've been here about 100 times before, so I
Ew.
know where I'm going.
Ah. This water's not so great. It must be like really clay soil
Yeah.
just here by the rocks. Because that ain't clean. Oh, that was a big step.
How am I meant to do that?
Look at the colours in the rocks.
That's amazing. The colours.
Step for Emma. One normal step for Daniel. We made it on the beach. Oh. I think tide's going out. Yeah, tide's going out. That looks a lot clearer though. Ugh,
What did you say?
tide's going out.
It's huge. Look at how pretty this shell is.
It's broken.
but it's pretty.
Like, that's massive. I have really skinny legs in this. I like it. Look how tall I am. Hey, look, you're nearly as tall as me.
Taller, actually.
Nuh-uh. And I'm surrounded by water. It's really clear. I love it. That had this rock on it. So I put this rock on it. When we come back later, we'll see if it's got more rocks on it. And to remember, it's here-ish. And totally counts because she's climbing rocks. Rock climbing done. It looks like a ball of concrete. And I'm balancing on the tip of this rock. Let's see what happens when I break it. Nothing. Okay. If I want to see inside, I have to get wet. There you go, rock. Band-Aid will fix you. You see her? Found you! Was you hiding?
There's nothing in my pocket.
You're stealing rocks.
No.
Pretty good show. And shiny on the inside too.
Shiny.
Now it's stuck in your head. Emma found a float. I found a sinker. No, I didn't. I found fishing line. Totally keeping the float.
I want to point out that I also saw a squid jag before.
Yeah, it was broken. Okay. Help. Found another dirt track. Delicate balancing act. The bottlenose dolphin. And Yambu dreaming. And crashing waves. Huh. Sunset's starting to look good. Ooh. This one's got waves. This would be a good bodyboarding one. People down there fishing. So, I wonder if there's actually fish out there. There's a boat out there, but I don't know. Maybe.
Don't fight the current.
Swim out of the current, then to shore. If you can't escape, float or tread water. If you need help, call or wave for assistance.
Safety, know how to swim.
Yep.
Well, I wouldn't be in this predicament if I knew how to swim.
Well, no, because it doesn't matter how good you are at swimming if you're in a rip.
If in doubt, don't go out. I wonder if they do that on purpose. If in doubt, don't go out. It's probably a whole song and dance about it.